Almost everyone knows how it feels to have one's mind go blank in the middle of a big exam. It's a dreadful feeling, and in my years of working with students, I've seen it happen countless times. In this Winward Academy Mindful Moments, Dr. Devin Prouty, a clinical psychologist at Stanford Research Institute, offers tips on what students can do when they get that panicked, my mind is blank feeling during a test.
So there are two really great exercises that anybody can do in any situation. You can do them in a restaurant, you can do them at home, you can do them in the middle of a proctored SAT exam. So the first one I'm going to tell you about is deep breathing. Now, breathing is amazing because it's something we do our entire life. From the moment you were born until the moment we leave this world, we breathe constantly. It's an automatic reflex. We don't have to think about it. So what I like to do is maybe close my eyes, breathe in through my nose, filling up my lungs, and then letting the air come out through my mouth. While you're doing that, you can notice the physical sensations in your body. 5 or 10 deep breaths, and there's a good chance you'll feel more calm, more in control after doing that. Another technique is something called progressive muscle relaxation, and this is again a way to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. So the way we do this, again, you want to be sitting comfortably with your feet on the ground, and what we're going to do is we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up through the body, progressively activating muscle groups and then relaxing them. So I'm going to start with my toes and all the muscles below my knees, and I'm going to scrunch up my toes and flex those muscles. And I'm going to hold those for 5 seconds and then relax. Then I'm going to move to the muscles in my upper legs, and I'm going to flex those muscles and hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Then I'm going to move to the core of my body and flex that and then relax. Then you can do your chest, your arms, your shoulders. You can even do your face and head if you don't mind looking funny wherever you are. If you're at home, it's great, feels really good. But if you're at school, people might think something's
wrong.
Weird, yeah.
Okay.
Another thing that can work that's a little bit different, it's not really directly affecting the nervous system, but it's affecting part of the cognitive process that goes along with anxiety, is to take a break. So if you're on a test question that's causing anxiety, that's making you feel nervous because it seems really hard or it seems unfamiliar to you, a really good strategy is to just set it aside, make a note, skip that one, go on to another question.
And then also too, it seems like maybe even the breathing and the muscle relaxation, that's even something that a student could do kind of sitting there when you're waiting for the test to get passed out, right? Because you're sitting there for 10
Absolutely.
minutes waiting, so maybe doing something like that could even help clear your mind.
A lot of times in the heat of the moment, it's hard to think of these strategies.
Sure.
So practicing them in advance is really great.
Remember to use deep breathing, incorporate progressive muscle relaxation, and even take breaks when needed. Together, those techniques will help you be more mindful during stressful times.